Assalamu alaikum, little kiddos. How are you? I hope that you'll be enjoying these vacations with your parents and siblings. You'll be very happy and excited to see this summer vacation task because now you have some activities to do along with your parents. Now I'll explain you that how to do this summer vacation task. First of all, I'll tell you about written work. For English, you'll do revision from A to S and then you'll write T to X and then you'll do some activities of beginning sound and then you'll do some activities of what's come after and what comes before and what comes between. For this, you'll use English manual for different activities and word formation and word practice. Here comes the literacy manual, that is your English manual. These are some warm-up activities and after that, first of all, you'll revise A to S and then you will start. This is also revision. This is also revision and you'll revise all these words and then you'll start from T because T is the new word for CASA 2 students. This is introduction of T. You'll come down straight and make a loop and then put a line. In this way you can form the word T and then you'll have different activities of T for vocabulary and for word formation also. After doing all these things, you will have much practice of word T. In the same way, you'll practice for different new words from T to X. While practicing all these activities, you'll have some activity of what comes after, what comes before, and what comes between in this way. Here comes the maths. You'll do revision of 1 to 20. You'll write forward counting from 21 to 30 and you'll write numbers in words, that is 1 to 3, ONE1, TWO2 and THREE 3. Then you'll do backward counting from 5 to 0 and then you'll count and write and count and match. You'll do the activities of what comes after and what comes between in maths also. This is numeracy manual that will be used for maths. There are different activities of maths on this. You'll do all these activities to practice mathematics from 1 to 30 and backward counting 5 to 0 and number in words 1 to 3. What comes after and what comes before and what comes between. There will be some activities like that also. You'll write missing numbers also. This is what comes after. I hope that you'll find it very interesting and you'll learn a lot from these activities. Here we go. After maths, we'll go towards Urdu because Urdu is our national language and we should have more interest in Urdu as being our national language. First of all, you'll revise Alif Ta Sheen. Then there will be written work from Swad Ta Ghe. Then you'll write बाद में आने वाले हुरूफ लिखें, पहले आने वाले हुरूफ लिखें, दरमियान में आने वाले हुरूफ लिखें, तस्वीर को देखकर पहला हर्फ लिखें. And you use Urdu manual for that. Here is the Urdu manual. Wow, so exciting. You'll do all these activities and you color in it and you'll do word formation. Look, if you're going to start any new word, like this is new word, first of all you'll make its formation and you'll practice for it, and then after that you'll make that word. It's very exciting. Wow. There are different activities for new words. You'll color, you'll encircle the right alphabet, and you'll practice. Here comes Islamiyat portion. There are 5 questions for Islamiyat portion. You'll learn all these questions and you'll memorize all these questions. Students will memorize all these questions and they'll tell to their parents and siblings. There are some general knowledge questions also. These are total 5. Students will learn and memorize and tell to their parents and siblings. Wow, here comes the fun time. You'll make a clock with the help of waste CD, or you can decorate a jar of jam. You'll either do first project or do second project. Then after that there are lots of poems you have to do in English and in Urdu. We'll send the links to you as well. The first poem is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. And the other is Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Little John, Little John. And the third one is the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. And then the next poem comes. It's We are shapes. You can see us everywhere. And here are the Urdu poems. First of all, you'll do आलू मियाँ कहाँ गए थे, सब्जी की टोकरी में सो रहे थे. Then मेरी नई साइकिल तेजी से चली. And then दो मोटे मोटे हाथ, दो मोटे मोटे पाँव. We'll send you links of these poems also so that you can see their animated versions and you can memorize these poems easily.